In front of me is VIVO X300 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Start by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Now, if you want to take a photo and send it within Messages app, use camera portion of your screen. After you take a picture, it will be automatically attached to your message. So all you need to do is send it. If you want to pick already existing or existing ones, use the same icon, and this time hold this line and drag it up. Then click on all of your photos you wanna send and choose Done at the bottom right corner. Then send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!